Are you feeling stuffed up? Having a stuffy nose is the worst. You can make this breath of fresh air steam recipe to help make breathing easier. Hi, I'm Katie Veldkamp, co-founder of Simply Earth, and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a steam that will help open your airways to make breathing easier. So get rid of distractions, making is healing, and we are ready to get started. I'm making this recipe with the Simply Earth September recipe box. I'm going to find my recipe card, and I will also need bay essential oil and eucalyptus essential oil. And from my home, I am grabbing a bowl of steamy hot water. One of the great things about this recipe is that it is super fast to make, so even when you're feeling groggy and congested, you can make this really quick to get really fast relief. So I'm going to be adding 1 drop of bay and 1 drop of eucalyptus essential oil. Now, to get the benefits of the steam, I'm going to get close to the water and inhale deeply, and it's going to help open up my airways, and that essential oil is going to help make breathing easier. For a stronger effect, you can grab a towel, place it over your head and the bowl, and make a steam tent for even more benefit. Because of this recipe, you're gonna go to... When you make this, make sure to take a picture and use hashtag #IMadeThis and tag from Simply Earth so we can check it out. With this box, you'll learn how to use essential oils with confidence and clarity. So go to simplyearth.com/box and subscribe today to make this recipe. You can make this. So go to